Welcome back. We're talking about a very important subject, and that is, where does your tax go? And I hope you are paying tax. So let's continue the conversation. We have Mr. Aziz Nishtar in the studio with us today, as we all know. Coming back to the accountability, I, Sonia Rahman Qureshi, pay this much tax. I want to know where my money is going. Who do I go to? How do I demand that I want to know where my money is going?
You know who's your MNA?
Absolutely not, no. Yeah.
Please try to know.
That's a good point.
Okay? And write to him or her. Okay, this is my grievance. I'm a voter of your area. Maybe I did vote for you or not. But being a voter and citizen of Pakistan and a taxpayer, this is my right to know where did my money go, or other people from the area.
This is a very important point that Nishtar Saab is making right now. Know who your MNA is, go to them and write to them. If they do not answer your letters, then approach them, make a meeting with them and ask them. Get together. Get your neighborhood together. As an individual, it might not work, but maybe you can take responsibility of your whole street.
Yes.
Even if not the entire neighborhood.
That is I would say that is the only way we can turn Pakistan back. Otherwise, we are going full speed into destruction. Just
as an example, this has nothing to do with taxation, but you're saying get your neighborhood together, your road together. I mean, you know, we had to complain about a main light on the road that wasn't working, and we just wanted people's signatures to go to KESC and say, bhai, the whole road is getting disturbed. People didn't care. They're like, oh,
that is one of the problems, and this is not only problem of Pakistani people. This is this is problem of Muslim Ummah. We do not complain. We should at least complain against the wrong, and we should appreciate if somebody does something good. Whether he is our ruler, just somebody in the neighborhood, and when society and citizen will take hold of the matters, the issues, I think get hold of the issues, only then I think we can change this. Otherwise, we will keep paying, our rulers will go abroad.
I love the way you're calling it rulers, because they are rulers.
Yeah, they are rulers. We are subjects.
Yeah.
We are subjects. We are not citizens, we are subjects. Our rulers go abroad, borrow money, then spend that money on whatever thing that we do not know. And then we pay back that money. Our next generation will pay back that money. Only way of putting things right is to just raise your voice. Even it's one voice. One voice. It is, I would say, a pitch dark darkness should not deter a lone candle. A lone candle should burn even if there is a storm.
Also, Nishtar Saab, one approach you said is going to the MNA and saying, you know, where is my money going? Does the government print any information as to what their expenditure was, the annual?
Yes, they do.
Where is this available? This information?
It should be available with the Ministry of Finance, Government of Pakistan. It's a budget, and in that you raised a very good question. In that you would see that most of the money goes into what we call is recurrent expenditure. Okay. Recurrent expenditure has nothing to do with development. It includes a lot of interest on government borrowings. Okay. Then defense, of course, is an area which should be fully taken care of, and it should be fully financed, but there should be some transparency and accountability on that area. There's not an ideal accountability in that area. Other areas too, where we, so to say, have accountability, and Auditor General publishes its audit report also. In those areas also there is a lot of pilferage, and a lot of money is not used for what purposes it was appropriated. It goes into misappropriation. So as citizens, I would say, first know what is happening. Only then your argument can be properly formulated. Otherwise you cannot articulate.
Absolutely.
Whenever you will, somebody will come and they will show you that book, and you will get kind of.
You will have no idea what's going on. Absolutely. Well, with that, thank you so much for your time, Nishtar Saab. I will let you go with the promise that you will come back and have another detailed discussion with us. thank you so much for your time.
You're welcome.
With that, it is time for us to say goodbye to you as well. We've talked in quite a lot of detail about what taxation is and how it affects the individual. I hope we were of some help to you. Please do email us at thefirstblast@dawnnews.tv, or you may SMS us if that's more convenient for you. It was wonderful having you on the show with us today. Take care of yourselves and your families. I'm Sonia Rahman Qureshi. Khuda Hafiz.